everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Han, and today plant diary is Oxalis. So I got this plant like quite a while ago. I guess when I have to check when I updated my last video earlier. This is also one of the plants that I couldn't take care of it properly. I just put this one in the very bright area, which is, when I think about it, it's too bright. And water very occasionally, so it can prevent the die. What I see I really didn't take care of it is like so many foliage has been damaged, and looks like that damage is like caused by eaten by pest. It's very shame to bring this plant, but if it wasn't affected by pests, would have been has beautiful foliages. And even with my irregular watering, it was still like growing new shoots. I can see inside it's still generating new shoots there inside, and then constantly generating the flower. Yeah, the thing is, like, by now when I see the plant, let's see, take care of it, take out, it looks quite established on the root and growing new shoot, so I'll say not that bad. So today, while I'm filming this video, I'm going to quickly remove the flower, because these flowers gonna use their energy on the maintaining the flower, so in that way it can focus on generating more foliages. And okay, so I just remove all the flowers, and then when I see the bottom of the pot, it still doesn't have any roots coming out or something, so I don't think it's right timing for repot. And Oxalis also has very small root system, like we saw earlier, very fine little roots, so I'm pretty sure it's still covering the soil, and then still have plenty of time for it to be needed repotting. So instead of repotting, I just gonna keep it like this, and then I'm giving just some fertilizer to generate more shoots. Just gonna give a little bit more fertilizer, and I'll just spray. Yes, I think that's pretty much everything that I can do at the moment. I mean, since the foliage is like very thin, so I don't think it's really good idea for me to wiping down, but instead, because I already sprayed the pesticide, so hopefully it can kill the pest, and then a little bit later I just can gently wash it down, the plant. And yeah, only the things that I'm gonna little change is like I'm gonna give a little bit more space from the window. I mean, in earlier I think I put too close to window, cause I can see some of the foliage is becoming yellow, and which looks like being sunburned. From now I'm thinking to place slightly more further away, and then try to put a little more attention to this plant so it can be fully covered with very nice plant. This is the one that I planted from the cone, and actually they are growing from cone. Like, I mean, it doesn't really look healthy at the moment with the same reason. But anyway, but the new shoot is growing there. That one, another shoot from there. Not sure you can see it or not. The pink one, and that's dying, but see there inside. Even though I couldn't take care of them properly, they're still like surviving from that bad care, and then that's kind of proving the fact that they are actually quite hardy. it may not super easy to make it look always better, but it is quite hard to kill it, I'll say. Yeah. So yes, that's pretty much everything for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see how my plans performing well, and if you want to check how my plans performing, you can follow my Instagram or you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.